Hello guys, welcome to another video. So today we're gonna be doing face detection. Let's see our face detection using OpenCV. So we're gonna have to install OpenCV. We guys can go to PyPy and search for OpenCV. The name of the package is OpenCV Python. We're gonna open the terminal to install this. We're gonna do pip install OpenCV Python. Let's see, OpenCV pip install. Okay, I put 3 L's and I already have it. Okay, now we're gonna start writing the code, guys. We're gonna import CV2. We're gonna create an object capture, which is pretty much open the webcam. And when I do that, I'm gonna have to disable my webcam. I'm gonna pass CV2 here cap this show because it's faster this way to open the webcam. If I use the default way, it's gonna be a little slower than that. So we can pretty much just do this just so we can see if the webcam's working, and we're gonna show you guys pretty much how this all works. Okay, read. We're gonna do, let me see, guys. We're gonna do cap.em show face or webcam frame. Put this here so we can run the code without a problem. Wait key 1 equals there's this code that's pretty default. Okay, she's pretty much so we can run the code without freezing the window. And okay, not breaking where we're gonna do cap.release and cv2.destroy all windows. Now I'm gonna close my webcam here. I disable my webcam. I'm gonna run here. You guys should see me here. Okay, this is wrong. Let's see. You guys should see me em show. Oh, CV2. Okay, cv2.em show. My bad, guys. Okay, and you guys can see my webcam over here. I'm gonna capture my face over here. Okay, using built-in recognize for OpenCV. We're gonna have to download a file, which pretty much is a hair cascade OpenCV GitHub. There's a bunch of files. There's different ones. I use this one quite a lot. That's front of face extended, front of face. That's different. You can also recognize the eye, smile, upper body. But let's use this one. I'm gonna click raw and I'm gonna save on that folder, which is workspace, working, tutorials, face detection, OpenCV. We're gonna create a variable here called cascade, which is gonna be equals cv2.cascade classifier. We gotta copy the name of this file and paste here. So there are a couple things that we need to do now. We're gonna have to convert this frame to grayscale. So we're gonna decrease the amount of data because in this case is BGR image has 3 channels. OpenCV read images as BGR, not RGB. We're gonna convert, so I'm gonna use cv2.convert color, cvt color. I'm gonna press frame and cv2.color BGR to gray, color BGR to gray. Now we can get the faces, which is going to be cascade.detect mood scale. Mood is scale. We're gonna pass gray. A scale factor is going to be 1.3. This one you guys can choose. Mean neighbors gonna be 5, and mean size is going to be, I usually use 2020 or something small. Now we can do a for loop into all of these faces, which is going to give us the X, Y, W, and H, which are width and height of each image. And you can now draw a rectangle on the image. Okay, we're gonna use frame. These are the starting points, X, Y. Here are the other locations, how it ends. Let's see, it's X plus W and Y plus H. And the last argument is a color. We're gonna use green, which is gonna be 0 to 55 to 55 in RGB. And I think we're done. That's all the code that we need. Gray is not defined. That's this gray here, not grayscale. Okay, it's working. You guys can see that I'm detecting my face using OpenCV. There's a couple of things that we can do. We can actually pass a thickness argument here of 4, so the lines are more thick. And you guys can see that I'm detecting my face. It might be some variation. You might recognize as well in some region. But that's pretty much it, guys. This is the code. We can do a little bit. We can tinker a little bit here. We can change the scale factor to 1.5. But if I if I tilt my head, it stops recognizing, which is something that this classifier is not able to do as well. So I think a deep learning one would be better in that regard. But let's see. It seems to work well for the most part, especially for detecting faces. But that's pretty much the tutorial, guys. If you guys enjoyed, and if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe. Okay, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out.